Welcome back to Blue's 2-Minute Garden Tips. Today we're canning pickles, both dill spears and slices, as well as bread and butter slices. We're going to start with 3 cups of water, 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of kosher salt, and a couple of teaspoons of some sugar. I'm going to slice up enough red onion to be able to put a couple of slices inside each jar. I'm also going to cut up or take out at least 1 clove of garlic for each jar. I like to slice each clove into 2 slivers, so basically cut each clove in half. I put 1 clove at the bottom, or 1 slice of the garlic at the bottom of the jar, as well as a little bit of onion at the bottom of the jar. Take the end off of both sides of your cucumber. The end, the blossom end and the stem end, each have an enzyme in it that can soften up your pickles. So make sure you take the ends of your cucumbers off. At the same time I'm cutting, as well as making my little poker chip size, I also cut my spears. I try to get them all about the same size. It just helps when you're processing. So, I forgot to mention for the dill, you're going to put a teaspoon of dill seeds and a teaspoon of mustard seed in each jar. Again, tuck all the spears in. So, don't jam it in so hard that the liquid can't get in, but definitely get as much in there as you can. About halfway through filling up the slices, I put a little bit more garlic and a little bit more onion in. Just sort of evenly distribute it. That broth that we made, now I'm going to fill each of the jars. Once the jars are filled, make sure that you wipe the rims to make sure there's nothing on the rims. Put the one side of the 2-part lid, seal the lids, and then 180 degrees for 3 minutes. And now bread and butter pickles. 3 cups of vinegar. I do half white and half apple cider vinegar, a cup of water, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, a half teaspoon of turmeric, a half teaspoon of clove, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, 2 teaspoons of celery seed, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. That mixture that we put on the stove, brought to a boil, fill the jars. Again, clean your lids. And then the 2-part lid goes on, finger tight, into the boiling water bath. Make sure that you tighten your jars when they come out. Just check to see how tight they are. As they cool, you will hear the telltale pop. Thanks for joining us for canning pickles. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blues Garden Tips. Thank you very much.